How to reset LinkedIn password if forgotten on Android. First, I need to mention that right now I'm working on Android, but don't worry about it. It is the same process on iPhone. When you get into a site selection like this one, and from here, you have auth and get your email section. For example, it is this one, and as you add that selection, you simply firstly go and all that selection, and from here, for example, you have forgot your password, you go forgot password, and as you get into that file selection, and simply you need to add the email again, and then simply go reset password. And right now it has been sent verification code to my email, and you need to go and check out your site selection on your email that you have got on site section, which is from the supporting team of LinkedIn, and then it will send you a code. Then the code you need to add it right here. After you got done with all that selection, just go for that site. You can add here your new password, and then you need to retype it again, and then simply go submit, and you are done.